It is officially time to plan for May. Let's get into it. I am using an Apple iPad Pro 11-inch, a Pencil Pro, a screen protector that I got from Amazon, and then this OtterBox case that I got from OtterBox. I will have all of this linked down below. This planner I actually made for myself, and I made it available for free, which I typically make my planners free every year because, you know, why not? Fun little freebie, I guess, to give to my community. And you can get your hands on it by clicking the link in my description box. So this is what May is looking like so far. We need to adjust the brightness a wee bit. I literally can't see, though I feel like that's super bright and my camera would prefer it to be not as bright. All right, here's our conundrum. We need to figure out what stickers we're gonna use. I'm going into my sticker book and I'm looking at all of my stickers. Okay, so we had a lot going on. I'm thinking we won't even use a lot of these, but okay, so we have a lot of stickers. I'm thinking we won't even use all of these because we have a lot, and the bottom is already dramatic, which to me means I don't need to make the rest of it as dramatic. So I'll probably get rid of a lot of these because I don't really like those. Like, that's ugly. That can go, well, not ugly, but it's not my preference. So actually, for purposes of, ooh, Lord, for purposes of this video, I'm actually gonna move a number of these up here, just a little out the way. Okay, so on the first, I am currently supposed to be babysitting, but I might move it to Saturday. It's either one. The couple, it's my friend and her husband, they are available both days, so I might actually move it to, I don't know what time I'm babysitting either. I think like in the PM, but I literally have no idea. I mean, they know what time I get off work, so whatever time they want me to come. So we're gonna leave that there, but yeah, we might switch that to Saturday, but otherwise babysitting on the 2nd. My friend and her twin sister have a birthday today, actually, and they are having a party. The reason why I'm babysitting on Friday for now is because I may or may not be going to this party. This would require me to go out of town, and you know, I just don't know if I need to be doing that given the trip that we just took. So, you know, might be doing it, might not, but either way, I kind of like this chillin', so I think I'm gonna use it. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know if we're going to the party, but that's why I put babysitting. When they said they were available this weekend, I went ahead and chose Friday so that if I do wake up and decide to go, what in the world, to this party, it won't be an issue and I'll have, you know, kept my word for babysitting for them for the month. So we'll see about that on the 3rd. Maybe this will be a chit chat video, you think? On the 3rd, well, we can do church for every, I don't know. I tried this other church for Easter. It was okay. I'd gone there before, but to help with revival and to help pass out or set up like food and stuff, but not to actually participate in the service. So it actually starts before this time. This is my mother-in-law's church. We often go to church with her, and I don't know. We might try that church. I'm thinking about trying this other church that I went to. There is a silent book club on May the 3rd. As you know, I try to go to this every month. I have yet to make it because I just feel like it's always at an inconvenient time. Now this one's at 2:30. Normally they're at like 1 o'clock, and I just feel like that's a terrible time. May is not that big of a deal, which I think by not that big of a deal, I mean it's not very busy. That's because we are restarting our debt payoff journey to finish paying off the debt that we owe. And so mainly my husband's student loans is the bulk of it. So we want to start that, and therefore May isn't too crazy. So that's good. We do have to pay off a cruise in May though. So there's that. Also, I have a friend date on the 9th. Don't know where we're going or what we're doing. Sometimes we just hang out on the back patio or at my friend's house or whatever. On the 12th, I have a training. I do this monthly training for CEUs. My job obviously doesn't offer any CEUs, so I don't get any for work, but I do this training that takes place at lunchtime once a month. I normally go to this fundraising event, which my old job actually puts it on, but I may go to that. We're having a networking call for the financial social workers, and that's going to be, ooh, I think the time changed. Did the time change? No, that's going to be at 2 p.m. The Center for Financial Social Work is having their monthly webinar, and that is going to be at 2 p.m. Everything's fine. Okay, this is it. Let's see. Do we want to use beautiful day somewhere? Maybe there's pink there, so maybe beautiful day. Honestly, let's see if we want beautiful day here. Oops. Let's see if we want beautiful. Oh my gosh, beautiful day up here. See, that's kind of cute. Let's get rid of that, because what are we waiting for? That's cute. And then maybe that. I love Get It Done, but I fear it has to go. In which case, I'm actually going to move that there. Actually, I'm going to delete that and move that there. This is cute. We'll leave that. We'll delete that. That's May. I have a few things for work, like some work meetings and such, but, well, I don't want to say who cares, but I kind of want to say who cares. I also am thinking about moving this down some. Just to kind of get out the way there, all the way. You know what will balance this out, I believe, is if we had some pink. So let's get rid of that. And then let's go to our highlighter and grab this pink. I feel like that's good enough. Yeah. And then let's do this. And I feel like that will balance this out a little bit more. Yeah, I like that. Kind of breaks up the monotony. I also think we can go ahead and get rid of highlighting these because I feel like that will look better too. Yeah, I like that a little bit better. But yeah, I have a lot going on here, so I really don't need much going on up here. So much so that I could probably get rid of a few more stickers, but we're gonna leave it like this because it's kind of cute. It's kind of cute. Okay, this is our digital planner. Oh, the last thing we need to do is we need to come over here and we need to grab also, well, while I'm trying not to have be inattentive and all over the place, but I wanted to say also that highlighter color that I picked out, that purple, it will also be my highlight for the whole month. So anytime I'm highlighting like the little dots and things and tracking my habits, I will use that purple highlighter. Okay, now let's come up here. Oh, it's already on. Let's paste and let's put our habits here. These same habits are appropriate to be tracking. So we're gonna leave those habits there. As an example, I like to highlight up here. So I would switch to the purple, which I think is this one. Yeah, is that it? It's kind of like a purple, but not quite. It wants to be purple, but this is kind of like gray actually. And that is gonna do it for our May planner setup. As we all know, this is my monthly mood board, so I will put in pictures and other little doodles and things to commemorate the month, kind of like digital scrapbooking as the month goes on. And that's gonna do it for our digital planner. Now let's set up our physical planner. And I know I have like 16 minutes left on my memory card, so let's see if we can get this accomplished in 16 minutes. Okay, so we're going in, we already know what we're doing. We are removing things and adding things. So these are some of the elements of the Infinite Lotus May subscription box that I recently got. Also, I've had this planner for a whole year because I got back in a physical planner last May, so that's exciting. So what I'm gonna do is I kind of have a little system and I'm just gonna replace everything as I see fit. Also, you guys, I am still selling these inserts. If you're interested, it is now an even bigger stack because some of the inserts that came in the May box, like work log, sinking funds, daily plan, and bucket list. There's a bucket list one that you'll see in a minute. It looks like this. I have added to this. So I am selling this, and just email me at info@shaybudgets.com, DM me on Instagram at shaybudgets, or of course comment down below if you're interested, and I'll let you know the price. I don't really know the price at the filming of this video because I just added several inserts to this, but let me know. It's a compilation of pretty much every insert that I have gotten from the Infinite Lotus subscription box since I got the Infinite Lotus subscription box, and I started in October, I believe. Yeah, so from October until now. So just let me know if you're interested in purchasing those because I do have a lot. So anyway, back to what I was saying, I'm just gonna be replacing things. As an example, these are the 3 little journaling cards that came in the May box, and I just took out that other journaling card from April, I think. Didn't that just come out of there? Wait, did that just come out of there, or have I tripped myself up? I'm pretty sure that just came out of there, so now I'm gonna replace she's kind of thick. I don't know what I put in here to make her this thick, but I think, oh my God, for the month, it's either I forego this or this. My issue with foregoing this is then, do I put my highlighter and my pen in there? And then I get rid of this altogether? You know, like what happens with my highlighter and my pen situation? That's a big deal for me. Okay. I don't really need this, to be honest, but I like it. Do I get rid of this for the month? I don't know. I've never had to deal with this strife. Yeah, I guess I just live in there. That's my physical planner setup. So that's gonna be it for this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give this video a like, subscribe if you're new, and if you're liking what you're seeing, and I will catch you guys right back here in a few days in a brand new video. Bye guys.